These are some of my favorite low back and glute exercises, more so stretches, to get things awakened up. I will give a caveat. If it feels good, continue doing the exercises and stretches. If it feels like it's hurting, back it off and see your doctor of chiropractic. So we're going to start with a single knee to chest stretch, where Jenica is just going to bring her knee up towards her chest, feeling just a nice gentle stretch into the low back. She can do that on each side, or she can do both knees together. I actually kind of like this one. If that's too easy for her, she can take her legs a little bit wider and pull them up towards her opposite shoulders. Awesome. And now if that's still too easy for her, she can kind of bring her heels over top of her head, like lift her whole bottom over top and grab behind the knees and kind of give an extra stretch across that low back. Good. And bring down. That's just general. Now she can do kind of a gentle rocking motion, bringing her just gently going back to the side by side, up towards her head a little bit with a little bit of a pop almost. Just nice, easy range of motions, figure eights, whatever you like is fine like that, just to get some life across that low back. Now we're going to get more into the glute muscles. So we're going to do a one-legged stretch. One leg goes straight. She's going to grab one knee with the opposite hand, and she's going to bring that knee across towards the opposite hip. She's not rotating her back so much. She's getting more of the stretch into the glutes, all right? That's a different stretch, but we're trying to get through the glutes like this. All stretches are held for about 20 or 30 seconds. After she's done this one here, slowly graduate with that hand, pulling the knee up towards the shoulder, opposite shoulder. It's going to stretch different parts of the butt muscles, and it's a really nice, easy stretch. Breathe through it, but get a good 20, 30 seconds. Those are big muscles down there, people, so we like to give them a nice long stretch, all right? Now we're going to get more into some deeper muscles inside the butt as it goes deeper inside towards the midline and up towards your low back a little more. So this time we're going to grab that ankle and other hand on the knee and gently pull across towards the opposite hip again. Different muscle, this is more advanced. You're going to feel a little bit more of a stretch here. And then gently pull up towards the opposite shoulder again, getting a nice deep stretch into that area. Make sure you're breathing during this exercise and just kind of relaxing while you're doing it. Kind of like a mini yoga. And there's also fancy ways. I want to keep it really basic, but Jenica will show you kind of a different pose of how to get to those muscles in the deep glute area and a nice gentle stretch. That is probably for more the bendy type of people, where you're going to feel a bit more stretch with that. So that's a great way to start. Of course, we showed you one side, but always do both sides and continue on your great health towards betterment of health.